Hi, I'm Kirrah and I have always had skin problems. I've always had acne and scarring right up until now. So I'm just trying a face mask. I haven't really looked into skincare as well, so it's like saying, why am I not getting fitter when I'm not running? But anyway, I'm trying Alya Skincare. It is stinging, but I think that means it's working. I didn't put it on evenly. I don't know if I applied it wrong or if it's just drying. I think it's drying. I think it's working. Oh my gosh, look at my pores. Ew. Thank you, Alya Skin, for the little skincare bundle that I got, that I ordered and paid for. Hashtag pretending to be sponsored. If you have any recommendations on skincare and scarring that's cheap and easy and affordable, please let me know. Don't hide your secrets. Thanks.